Yo, I'm trying to make you look stylish. I want you to be a problem this year. And I've always said, your outfits start with your foundation, with your footwear. So if you don't know where to start, if you want to revamp your style, start with your shoes. And today, boys, I'm going to give you 7 stylish shoes that you probably don't own that are going to be hot for this year. Let's hop into this. Number 1, square-toed shoes. I know what you're thinking, all right? I know you're probably thinking of me telling you every single time to not wear square-toed shoes, but I promise you, bro, just give it a shot. Just give it a shot. Look, I'm not telling you to wear square-toed dress shoes, but there are certain square-toed variations of boots and loafers that honestly, and they're not super squared. It's more of like a flattened almond, right? It's very soft. It's grazing, and honestly, I kind of dig it. I kind of dig it, especially in a casual setting. It's like you're bringing back those like early 2000s. It looks sick in those casual fits, and I promise you, it's a shoe trend that's probably going to stay for the next 3, 4, 5 years. Number 2, chunky loafers. This one I love, and it's easy. See, some of these you might not like, which is fine. You should pick and choose the ones that you think are easier to implement with your style. This one, I think anybody can implement. See, a chunky loafer is your basic loafer, right? It could be your horse bit loafer or your penny loafer, but it has a thick sole on the bottom. These are, well, anything with thick soles are trending. Right now, it's like they're coming on strong for the loafer, especially with that grandpa trend that's going on. And honestly, they're sick, especially for that spring, summer season. Grab yourself a thick, chunky loafer. You can find them from various brands, anywhere from like 80 to 100 bucks, all the way up to like the designer stuff at 1,000, which is where they started. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Just pick up a pair, try it out with your style. I promise you, yo, you're not gonna look back. Number 3, high top sneakers. Look, I've always talked about, especially those low top white leather sneakers, those are sick. They're staples. You can just never go wrong. But if you want to switch it up for 2022, you want something a little bit different, what about the same design on a high top? See, this is one of those like slight variations where you don't have to go too far outside your comfort zone, but you're switching it up enough to freshen up your fits. This is why I love Thursdays. See, Thursdays just dropped these high tops. They look sick, bro. I've already told you, when it comes to those like low top white leather sneakers, they got you covered. They're using a high-end luxe Napa Italian leather on the outer, which is what gives the shoe a lot of its soft look. And because the leather is so soft, when you're walking in them, it doesn't crease like regular cheap leather. So usually they end up lasting longer. I've had my low tops now for about 2, 3 years. I just picked up these new pair of high tops that I'm probably gonna be rocking for the rest of the year. On top of that, one of the things that I like about Thursday is that they line their sneakers with sheepskin. Yo, the inside of these sneakers is crazy comfortable. You just feel the cushioning. You can walk in these all day long, which makes sense because on top of the sheepskin lining, it has a shock absorbent performance footbed, which is why it makes it so comfortable. So you don't only have a stylish shoe, you have a shoe that you can wear all day long and it's not going to kill your feet. This is what I love about Thursday. Everything is hand-built to optimum quality, and since they're cutting out middlemen and any retailer, they're selling directly to you, you're not getting crazy markups, and you can pick these up for around 100 to 150 bucks, making them probably one of the most affordable white leather sneakers you can pick up. That's drastically better than anything else you'll get in the market right now. On top of that, Thursdays also has free shipping and free returns, which means it's risk-free. Yo, try them out. See how good and stylish they're going to be and just how versatile they're going to be with your fits. I promise you, you're probably not even going to return them, just how good they are. And don't even stop there. See, with Thursday, they're not just doing sneakers. Yes, these high tops come in various colors. They also come in a low-cut variation, which is the one I was mentioning that I own already. But on top of that, they also got other great designs like shoes, like loafers, and more importantly, what they're known for, their boots. Boys, if you need to upgrade your footwear, you don't have to look too far. Thursday's got you covered when it comes to the best quality at the best price. If you guys want to check them out, they're going to be linked down below. Number 4, a pair of slides. Look, it's summer, it's spring and summer, which means you're going to be out in the sun. You're going to be at the beach. You're going to want something that you can easily throw on and off. And honestly, a pair of rubber slides, they're good to go. I've been using these a lot. On top of that, you want something that's comfortable. Yo, I even picked up this pair, which at first I was a little hesitant, but honestly, the more I wear them, I feel like I'm walking on clouds. You want one of those like airy, easy slip-on models. That way you can rock the rest of the year, especially on those hot months. Number 5, the Oxford. Look, this one's just a staple. This is one of those shoes that every time I'll make a list for the best shoes to wear, it needs to be on that list, because without it, you don't have a complete wardrobe. When you need to dress up, when you're throwing on slacks, you need a pair of lace-up Oxfords, something that's serious, something that projects that maturity and status. Look, these are also from Thursdays, which is what I was telling you, Thursday boots. Thursdays has you covered with any style of footwear, but at the end of the day, it's the design that you're looking for. You're looking for a simple pair of almond-shaped Oxfords that is going to be versatile and it's going to be timeless. Number 6, the boot. And this one, you got a lot of options. I'm going to be honest. There's so many different boot styles that are trending right now that all of them look good, whether it's dressy or casual. You can make that choice. Personally, I love dressy boots, mainly because I can wear them with a suit while also dressing them down with a pair of jeans. The point is, you need to find a boot option that'll work with you and your lifestyle, whether you dress more casual or more dressy. Pick a boot option in there, and I'm telling you, this is one of those shoe styles you'll never regret. And ultimately, number 7, shoes with heels. Look, we're getting this like 70s inspiration with our footwear, especially for men, where men are starting to get like 1 to 3 inch heels on their shoes. And I'm talking, it could be on your loafers, it could be on your lace-up, it could even be on your boots. And I'm not hating it. Look, it's one of those more aggressive trends, I'm gonna be honest with you, but the height advantage, yo, that's a plus. On top of that, it's one of those style moves where not too many men are risk takers enough to pull off, and if you are, it's gonna set you apart. I'm telling you, getting a heel on any of these designs, it's gonna make you look a little bit more stylish. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 shoe styles that are trending this year that I want you to check out if you wanna revamp your closet. That's it for your boy. See you next time.